Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting the right tools and protecting the electronics. This prevents damage and saves time. Once done, power the controller down, remove batteries, and open the case using T8 then T6 screws. Use a spudger to avoid clips breaking. Make sure to ground yourself with an ESD strap and keep screws organized. You will need them for reassembly. This first step exposes the PCB and mechanical parts so you can inspect wear. Broken parts and plan which components, like sticks or paddles, need upgrading. You now replace and modify components, focusing on function and fit. Start by removing thumbsticks, triggers, and any paddles, keeping track of orientation and springs so you reassemble correctly. If a new module requires soldering, use a 0.5 mm tip and brief contact to avoid lifting pads. Alternatively, use connector replacements when possible. Once parts are installed, manually press buttons and move sticks to verify mechanical range and contact. This step prevents surprises when powering up. You finish by carefully reassembling the controller. Align the PCB and flex ribbons, seat the shell, then tighten screws evenly to avoid warping. Once assembled, pair it to your console and update firmware using the Xbox accessories app so hardware matches software expectations. Calibrate sticks and triggers during the app sequence. Make sure to test all inputs in a game or diagnostic. If the controller is not recognized, reattempt pairing. Reboot the console and inspect solder joints or connectors for loose contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.